Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at this stunning yellow Honda Civic. The bold color, sharp LED headlights, and sporty front grille give this car an exciting first impression. Front 3/4 angle. From this angle, the Civic's sleek body lines and aggressive front bumper really stand out. The glossy yellow paint reflects beautifully on the showroom floor, making the car look even more attractive. Moving to the side, you can see the coupe-inspired roofline, stylish alloy wheels, and sporty side skirts. The low stance gives the Civic a dynamic appearance, even while it's standing still. Rear view. Now let's look at the rear. The LED taillights, sporty bumper, and clean design give the car a modern look. Through the large glass windows, gentle snow can be seen falling outside, creating a beautiful winter atmosphere. From the rear corner, the Civic looks muscular and well-balanced. Every design line flows smoothly from the front to the back, giving it a premium and sporty character. Interior front, stepping inside, the cabin feels modern and comfortable. The sporty seats, leather steering wheel, and digital dashboard create a premium driving environment. Everything is designed to keep the driver comfortable and focused. Default text. The dashboard has a clean layout with a digital display and a large touchscreen. The controls are simple to use, and the bright showroom lighting highlights the quality of the interior materials. Rear interior, the rear seats offer a comfortable space with a stylish finish. The cabin feels open, while the panoramic view through the windows lets you enjoy the snowy scenery outside. Under the hood is the heart of the Honda Civic. The engine is designed to deliver a smooth balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for both daily driving and long highway trips. Wheels. The sporty alloy wheels perfectly complement the yellow exterior. Behind them, the large disc brakes add confidence and complete the Civic's athletic appearance. As we complete our walk around, it's easy to see why the Honda Civic continues to be one of the world's most popular cars. It combines stylish design, a comfortable interior, modern technology, and dependable performance in one impressive package. Ending. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this cinematic showcase of the yellow Honda Civic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing car videos. See you in the next one.